The FSM Business Model tool showcases a range of business cases across the sanitation value chain and helps you assess the feasibility of a business model to your context. By clicking on View Questionnaire, you can view the list questions that you need to provide information on for each business model. This is to help you get acquainted with the kind inputs that you need to provide before logging into the tool and getting started. To start using the tool, click on Get Started. You may refer to this demo video at any point for guidance on how the tool works. As a first step, please select one or more value chain components. For example, are you interested in exploring viable business models only in the containment segment, or in a combination of containment plus transport, or across the whole value chain? Based on your choices, the tool filters out the most relevant business models. For every business model, the tool offers a set of case studies. You may click on View Case Study to learn more about the business models through case studies developed. The case studies also includes a stakeholder map along with the institutional, financial, and service flows involved in the business model. To check whether the business model is feasible for your context, please click on the Check Feasibility tab. The tool showcases all the mandatory and optional variables which are required for the successful implementation of the business model. You can choose to compare two business models in order to compare the feasibility for your city. The tool then asks you to fill in a list of business model-specific institutional and regulatory questions. The answers are in a simple yes or no format. When you complete answering the questions, you may view the output. Here, an aggregate score tells you if the model is a good, medium, or poor fit. A quick summary of key areas where actions need to be taken to create a conducive environment for implementation of the business model is also summarized right here. The tool also selects and presents relevant reading materials, including best practices, case studies, and relevant resources from our library to help you think about ways in which you can successfully design and implement the business model. A report summarizing your context and the business model outputs is automatically generated and is made available in a PDF format. You may publish it on our library for the benefit of other users or share the same by email. Your outputs will only be saved on our library and made available publicly if you choose to make it available by clicking on Publish. We hope you found our demo video useful. For more information, please write to us at contact@fsmtoolbox.com.